Hello and welcome to Moneycontrol's Business Wrap. Here are the top headlines for today. Market reacts to mixed macroeconomic data. Sensex down 693 points, Nifty below 24,150. Hindalco Q1 Results. Net profit rises 25% to Rs 3,074 crore, misses estimates. FirstCry's makes a strong market debut. Ola Electric Mobility shares pair gains, now up only 4% after 2 days upper circuit. HDFC Bank stock slips 3% as MSCI's lower than expected weight change disappoint investors. Let's look at each of these stories in detail. Indian equity indices ended lower for the second consecutive session on August 13, with Nifty below 24,150 amid mixed macroeconomic data, with CPI falling near to 5-year low in July, while IIP growing at a slower pace at 4.2% in June. At close, the Sensex was down 692.89 points or 0.87% at 78,956.03. And the Nifty was down 208 points or 0.85% at 24,139. The market opened marginally lower and extended the losses as the day progressed, dragging Nifty near 24,100 and Sensex below 79,000 amid selling across the sectors. Hindalco Industries reported on Tuesday its Q1 financial 25 net profit, which rose 25% to Rs 3,074 crore, missing street expectations. The Aditya Birla Group company said its April to June consolidated revenue from operations rose 7.5% to Rs 57,013 crore. Revenue from the copper business came in at Rs 13,292 crores, up 15.6% on account of higher shipments and realization, while revenue from aluminium upstream and downstream increased 9.6% and 18% respectively, the company said in an exchange filing on 13th of August. Experts advised caution on Brainbees solution, the operators of FirstCry's, due to company's ongoing financial challenges and a lofty valuation. Despite a positive market response following its debut on the exchanges on 13th August, the shares of Brainbees got listed at a 40% premium on the NSE at Rs 651 per share, compared to the IPO price of Rs 465. The IPO, with an issue size of Rs 4,193.7 crore, included a fresh issue of 3.6 crore shares worth Rs 1,666 crore and an offer for sale of 5.4 crore shares amounting to Rs 2,527.7 crore. Ola Electric Mobility shares spared almost all gains to trade just 4% higher at Rs 113 as investors booked partial profit. Today's shares climbed an intraday high of 18%, continuing their stellar run after hitting the 20% upper circuit for 2 consecutive days. The newly listed company's share made a debut at par with the issue price of Rs 76, but have since been rising to rally 58% in just 3 days. As for volumes, as many as 15 crore shares changed hands in the morning, higher than yesterday's 8 crore shares. HDFC Bank shares took a nearly 3% dip by trading at Rs 1,614 apiece. The drop came after investors expressed disappointment over MSCI Global Standard Index decision to increase the bank's weightage in 2 stages instead of 1 and lower than expected weight change. The first adjustment, raising the foreign inclusion factor from 0.37 to 0.56, is set for September 2, following the current rebalancing. The second adjustment, bumping the FIF from 0.75 to 1, is slated for November.